Buying a used car can save you thousands of dollars, but the real challenge is finding a vehicle that will continue to be reliable long after you drive it off the lot. Some cars may look like great deals because of their low price, but expensive repairs and unexpected problems can quickly turn them into money pits. That's why many experienced buyers focus on vehicles with a proven history of reaching 200,000 miles or more. In this video, we'll look at 10 used cars that are known for exceptional durability, strong engineering, and long-term reliability. These vehicles have earned their reputation through years of real-world ownership, proper maintenance, and millions of miles driven by owners across the country. From dependable sedans and practical SUVs to rugged trucks and proven hybrids, these are some of the best choices if you're looking for a used vehicle that can go the distance. So, let's take a look at the 10 used cars that can last 200,000 miles or more. Number 10. Toyota Sequoia, 2008 to 2022 models. Starting our list with number 10, the Toyota Sequoia. When it comes to used SUVs built for long-term ownership, the Sequoia has one of the strongest reputations in the market. This full-size SUV is known for its durability, strong construction, and ability to handle hundreds of thousands of miles with proper maintenance. Why it's recommended. The biggest reason the Sequoia earns a spot on this list is its proven mechanical strength. Built on Toyota's body-on-frame platform, it shares the same rugged foundation used in Toyota's truck-based SUVs and pickups, making it extremely durable for daily driving, towing, and long road trips. Its powerful V8 engines are known for their reliability, especially when owners follow regular maintenance schedules such as oil changes, fluid services, and routine inspections. Another advantage is that the Sequoia is not built as a lightweight crossover. Its traditional SUV design focuses on strength and longevity, which helps it withstand years of heavy use. Many owners have reported reaching well beyond 200,000 miles, and some examples continue running past 250,000 miles with proper care. According to IC Cars studies, the Toyota Sequoia is among the vehicles with one of the highest chances of reaching 250,000 miles. For buyers who need a large SUV with proven durability, strong towing capability, and long-term reliability, the Toyota Sequoia is one of the best used choices available. Number 9. Toyota Land Cruiser, 2008 to 2021 models. Moving on to number 9, the Toyota Land Cruiser. Few vehicles have built a stronger reputation for long-term durability than the Land Cruiser. Known around the world for its toughness and reliability, this luxury SUV was designed to handle extreme conditions while continuing to perform for decades. Why it's recommended. The biggest strength of the Land Cruiser is its overbuilt engineering. Unlike many modern SUVs designed mainly for comfort, the Land Cruiser was developed with durability as a top priority. Its body-on-frame construction, proven drivetrain, and high-quality components allow it to handle heavy use, difficult terrain, and high mileage without major mechanical problems when properly maintained. Another reason owners keep these vehicles for so long is Toyota's focus on reliability rather than complicated performance technology. The engines and transmissions are designed to deliver consistent performance over many years of ownership. It is common to see well-maintained Land Cruisers reaching 200,000 miles, and many examples continue beyond 300,000 miles. This incredible longevity is one of the reasons the Land Cruiser maintains strong resale value even after many years. For buyers looking for a premium SUV that can provide luxury, off-road capability, and exceptional long-term durability, the Toyota Land Cruiser remains one of the most dependable used vehicles ever built. Number 8. Toyota 4Runner, 2010 to 2024 models. At number 8, we have the Toyota 4Runner. When it comes to used SUVs with a reputation for extreme durability, the 4Runner is one of the names that consistently stands out. It has earned a loyal following among owners who need a vehicle that can handle daily driving, outdoor adventures, and high-mileage ownership. Why it's recommended. The biggest advantage of the 4Runner is its rugged body-on-frame design. Unlike many modern SUVs that are built more like cars, the 4Runner uses a traditional truck-based platform that is designed for strength and long-term durability. Its proven V6 engine and reliable automatic transmission are known for handling years of use with fewer major problems when properly maintained. This makes the 4Runner especially appealing for buyers who want a used SUV that can continue performing well even after reaching higher mileage. Another reason the 4Runner holds its value so well is its versatility. It can serve as a dependable daily driver while also handling towing, camping, and off-road driving without sacrificing reliability. Many owners regularly reach 200,000 miles or more, and some examples continue running far beyond that with proper care. Its combination of durability, capability, and strong resale value makes the Toyota 4Runner one of the safest choices for long-term used SUV ownership. For buyers searching for an SUV built to last, the Toyota 4Runner is a proven choice that can easily go the distance. Number 7. Toyota Camry, 2012 to 2017 models. Coming in at number 7, the Toyota Camry. For decades, the Camry has been one of the most trusted names in the midsize sedan market. It has built a reputation for being comfortable, practical, and extremely reliable, making it a favorite choice among used car buyers looking for long-term ownership. Why it's recommended. The biggest reason the Camry earns a place on this list is its proven mechanical reliability. Toyota has consistently used durable engines and dependable transmissions in the Camry, allowing many examples to continue running smoothly well beyond 200,000 miles with regular maintenance. Its simple and proven engineering is one of its greatest advantages, unlike some vehicles that rely on complicated systems that can become expensive to repair over time. The Camry focuses on efficiency, durability, and low ownership costs. Another factor that makes the Camry a great high-mileage choice is its comfort and practicality. It provides a smooth ride, excellent fuel economy, and enough space for everyday driving, commuting, and family use. The Camry has also been recognized by organizations such as Consumer Reports as one of the sedans with a strong history of reaching high mileage. With proper care, many owners have kept their Camrys on the road for 200,000 miles and beyond. For buyers who want a dependable used sedan with affordable maintenance and proven longevity, the Toyota Camry remains one of the best choices available. Number 6. Honda Accord, 2013 to 2017 models. At number 6, we have the Honda Accord. As one of the longest-running names in the midsize sedan segment, the Honda Accord has earned a reputation for combining reliability, practicality, and enjoyable driving performance. For many owners, the Accord is a vehicle that can stay dependable for many years and hundreds of thousands of miles. Why it's recommended. The biggest strength of the Accord is its proven engineering. Honda has built a long history of producing durable 4-cylinder engines that are known for their efficiency and ability to handle high mileage when properly maintained. Many Accord models are also available with reliable hybrid powertrains, giving buyers more options for long-term ownership while improving fuel efficiency. Another reason the Accord is a strong choice for high-mileage buyers is its balanced design. It offers comfortable seating, a smooth driving experience, strong safety features, and reasonable maintenance costs, making it practical for daily commuting and family use. Unlike some vehicles that become expensive to maintain as mileage increases, the Accord benefits from widely available parts and a strong reputation among mechanics and owners. With regular maintenance, many Honda Accords can reach 200,000 miles or more while continuing to provide reliable transportation. For buyers looking for a used sedan that delivers durability, efficiency, and long-term value, the Honda Accord remains one of the smartest choices on the market. Number 5. Toyota Corolla, 2014 to 2019 models. Coming in at number 5, the Toyota Corolla. Few vehicles have earned a stronger reputation for reliability than the Corolla. For decades, this compact sedan has been known for its low ownership costs, simple engineering, and ability to keep running long after many other vehicles have reached the end of their life. Why it's recommended. The biggest advantage of the Corolla is its proven reliability. Toyota designed the Corolla with a focus on durability and efficiency, using engines and transmissions that are built to handle years of daily driving with minimal trouble. Its simple mechanical design is one of the reasons it performs so well as a high-mileage vehicle. The Corolla avoids unnecessary complexity, which helps reduce the chance of expensive repairs as the vehicle ages. Another reason the Corolla remains a favorite among used car buyers is its affordable maintenance. Replacement parts are widely available, repair costs are generally reasonable, and many mechanics are familiar with servicing these vehicles. The Corolla is also known for maintaining strong resale value because buyers trust its reputation for longevity. Many owners have driven their Corollas beyond 200,000 miles, and some examples continue running well past that with proper maintenance. For anyone looking for a dependable, affordable, and low-risk used car, the Toyota Corolla is one of the safest choices for long-term ownership. Number 4. Honda Civic, 2006 to 2011 models. Moving on to number 4. The Honda Civic. For decades, the Honda Civic has been one of the most trusted compact cars among drivers who want affordable transportation with impressive long-term reliability. Its combination of simple engineering, low maintenance costs, and strong resale value has made it a favorite among used car buyers. Why it's recommended. The biggest reason the Civic earns a place on this list is its dependable mechanical design. Many Civic models are powered by efficient 4-cylinder engines that are known for their durability, especially when owners follow regular maintenance schedules. One of the Civic's biggest advantages is its simplicity. It uses proven technology, has widely available replacement parts, and is easy for mechanics to service. This helps keep repair costs lower as the vehicle gets older. Certain generations, especially models produced from 2006 to 2011, have developed a strong reputation for lasting well beyond 200,000 miles when properly maintained. Many owners have reported reaching 250,000 miles or more with routine care. Beyond reliability, the Civic is also practical. It offers excellent fuel economy, comfortable everyday driving, and strong resale value, making it a smart choice for commuters, first-time buyers, and anyone looking for a dependable used vehicle. For buyers who want a compact car that can deliver years of reliable service, the Honda Civic remains one of the most proven choices available. Number 3. Toyota Tacoma, 2016 to 2023 models. At number 3, we have the Toyota Tacoma. When it comes to mid-size pickup trucks that are built to last, the Toyota Tacoma has one of the strongest reputations in the automotive world. Known for its durability, reliability, and ability to handle tough conditions, the Tacoma has become a favorite among truck owners who keep their vehicles for many years. Why it's recommended. The biggest strength of the Tacoma is its rugged construction and proven mechanical reliability. Built with a focus on durability, the Tacoma is designed to handle daily driving, heavy workloads, towing, and off-road conditions without sacrificing long-term dependability. Its reliable engines, strong drivetrain, and durable suspension system allow the many Tacomas to continue performing well even after reaching high mileage. This is one reason why older Tacoma models often maintain higher resale values compared to many competitors. Another advantage is its reputation among owners. Many Tacoma drivers keep their trucks for a decade or longer because they know these vehicles can handle years of use with proper maintenance. It is common to see Toyota Tacomas reaching 200,000 miles or more, and many examples continue running far beyond that with regular servicing. For buyers looking for a used pickup truck that combines reliability, capability, and strong long-term value, the Toyota Tacoma is one of the best choices available. Number 2. Toyota Prius, 2010 to 2015 models. Coming in at number 2, the Toyota Prius. When many people think about long-lasting vehicles, they often think of traditional gasoline engines. But the Toyota Prius has proven that hybrid technology can also deliver exceptional durability and high mileage. Why it's recommended. The biggest reason the Prius earns a spot on this list is its reliable hybrid powertrain. Toyota designed the Prius with a focus on efficiency and long-term dependability, and its electric motor system helps reduce wear on the gasoline engine during everyday driving. One important advantage of the Prius is its proven battery technology. With a properly maintained battery cooling system and regular servicing, many Prius models continue operating reliably well beyond 200,000 miles. Another factor that makes the Prius attractive for used car buyers is its low fuel consumption and affordable ownership costs. It is especially popular among commuters who drive many miles every year and want a vehicle that can reduce fuel expenses without sacrificing reliability. Over the years, Many Prius owners have reported reaching 200,000 miles and beyond, with some vehicles continuing strong even after much higher mileage. For buyers looking for a fuel-efficient used vehicle with proven hybrid reliability, the Toyota Prius is one of the best examples that advanced technology can still deliver long-term durability. Number 1. Honda CR-V 2012 to 2016 models. And finally, number 1 on our list, the Honda CR-V. When it comes to finding a used SUV that can deliver years of dependable ownership, the Honda CR-V has earned one of the strongest reputations in the market. It combines practicality, comfort, fuel efficiency, and proven reliability, making it one of the most recommended choices for long-term ownership. Why it's recommended? The biggest strength of the CR-V is its balance. Honda designed this compact SUV to be practical for everyday driving, while using reliable engines and durable components that can handle high mileage. Its efficient four-cylinder engines are known for their longevity, and with proper maintenance, many CR-V models continue running smoothly well beyond 200,000 miles. Another reason the CR-V is a favorite among used car buyers is its practicality. It offers a spacious interior, excellent cargo room, comfortable driving, and strong fuel economy, making it a great option for commuters, families, and anyone who needs a dependable daily vehicle. The CR-V also benefits from Honda's reputation for building vehicles with affordable maintenance and widely available parts. This helps owners keep repair costs manageable as the vehicle gets older. Many Honda CR-V owners have reached 200,000 miles or more, proving that this SUV can provide reliable transportation for many years with regular care. For buyers looking for a used SUV that delivers durability, practicality, and long-term value, the Honda CR-V remains one of the best choices available. Choosing a used car that can reach 200,000 miles or more is not just about picking a reliable model, it is also about finding a vehicle with a strong maintenance history, proper care, and a design that has proven itself over many years. The Toyota Sequoia, Land Cruiser, 4Runner, Camry, Honda Accord, Toyota Corolla, Honda Civic, Toyota Tacoma, Toyota Prius, and Honda CR-V have all earned their reputation because they consistently deliver long-term durability for millions of owners. However, even the most reliable vehicle can become expensive if it has been neglected. Before buying any high-mileage used car, always check the vehicle history report and have a trusted mechanic perform a pre-purchase inspection. If you're looking for more videos about reliable used cars, the best vehicles to buy, and the models you should avoid, make sure to subscribe to Used Car Guide. We help you make smarter decisions before spending your hard-earned money on your next vehicle. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.